Hey guys, welcome to Matt Tech. Today we'll be learning how to boost bass and surround sound in YouTube Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to boost bass and surround sound in YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. After opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and it's kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us over here just above the help and feedback. Tap on settings, and when you land over here, tap on the third option that says playback just below the general. Tap on playback, and you can see the equalizer option available for us at the top of the screen. Tap on the equalizer at the top of the screen, and over here, guys, you can see this is the equalizer of our YouTube Music app. Now in order to boost the bass and surround sound in YouTube Music app, you will be required to do accordingly. So over here you can see 4 categories including the smart, but if you exclude the smart, there is the movie, game and music. If you're watching a movie on your YouTube Music app, guys, make sure the movie category is selected over here. With that being done, guys, the surround sound will be with clearer voice when you tap on the movie. And if you're watching a game on the music app, guys, tap on the game. Similarly for the music, if you're listening to music, tap on the music category, guys. Which it does is it will make music more realistic vocal and with instrument sounds. Similarly for the game, it will make you feel as if you're at the arena. By selecting the correct category of the videos you're playing on the YouTube Music app, you'll be able to boost bass and surround sound in YouTube Music app. And with that being said, guys, this is how to boost bass and surround sound in YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.